Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in automotive accessories and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who's ever lost something in that annoying gap between your car seat and center console. I'm talking about the car seat gap filler organizer. And spoiler alert, it's the best in the market for keeping your car tidy and your essentials within reach. Before we get into why this little organizer is such a game changer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Alright, let's break down why the car seat gap filler organizer from Jiaji is worth every penny. First off, it's crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and PU leather. What does that mean for you? Well, it's sturdy enough to handle your daily commute without slipping, bending, or scratching your seats. Plus, it feels as smooth as, well, a baby's skin. Installation is a breeze. Just slide it into the gap between your seat and center console, and voila! You've got a secure storage solution that won't budge, even during sudden stops or sharp turns. Now, let's talk about the benefits. This organizer isn't just about preventing your phone or sunglasses from disappearing into the void, it's designed with practicality in mind. Need a spot for your morning coffee or a quick stash for toll cards? Check and check. It even comes with cup holders and hooks for added convenience. Speaking of convenience, the size is perfect for most vehicles, with dimensions that fit snugly into the gap without wasting precious seat space. And hey, they've even added stylish red stitching to make your interior pop, because who says practical can't be stylish? And hey, don't just take my word for it. Plus, Jiaji offers a 1-year free replacement and 6 months of quality assurance, so you can purchase with confidence. Have you tried a gap filler organizer before? How did it work out for you? Share your experience in the comments below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. That wraps up today's review of the car seat gap filler organizer. If you're tired of fishing for lost items or just want to tidy up your car, this is definitely a must-have accessory. Check the description box below for more details and where you can get your hands on one. As always, thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Hit that like button if you found this review helpful. And until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more reviews that matter. See you soon!